Hey everyone, Colin here. I want to give you a quick walkthrough of something that we've been building called Pursue Networking and ANDI. If you're like me, you probably use LinkedIn every day, connecting with people, commenting on posts, sending messages, but over time, you probably noticed it gets very messy. You lose track of who's who, what conversations you've had, which relationships matter most, who are you supposed to follow up with. So we decided to build something to fix that. We built the Pursue Networking platform to serve as an account management system designed for LinkedIn, to deliver tools for you to save people, organize your network, and stay intentional about who you want to engage with. And then we added ANDI, your personal co-pilot, to help you comment smarter, write faster, and actually nurture relationships instead of losing them in the massive data noise that is LinkedIn. The goal of this isn't automation. It's reducing friction and elevating clarity. It's about helping you manage your relationships like a professional without losing your human personalized touch. Let me show you how this works. Let's say I come across someone interesting on LinkedIn. Maybe they commented on my post, or maybe they're a local contact that I want to keep up with. With Pursue Networking's tools, I can navigate to that person's LinkedIn profile and click Save Prospect, and ANDI will automatically pull their public LinkedIn data, their name, company, title, into an external database that is accessible while on LinkedIn. So even while I'm browsing LinkedIn like normal, I can quietly and systematically start building my own private database of organizing my prospects behind the scenes while using LinkedIn. Once you've saved a few people to your database, you'll start to see them populate inside the pipelines page. This is where all of your prospect data lives. You can view your data in a gallery view, which gives you a visual grid of all your prospects, a Kanban board, perfect for tracking progress or deal stages, or a simple list view if you prefer that classic spreadsheet style layout. You can also filter on the pipelines view by different attributes like status, list, and post tracking activity to help you narrow your focus on specific groups of people. Our design goal is to help you stay organized intentionally, to turn all of your LinkedIn relationships into structured, searchable data you can actually act on. Now let's talk about tracking post activity, which is where Pursue Networking and ANDI really start to come alive. Now, tracking isn't automatic. You actually choose who you want to monitor. The reason is simple. We as humans can only keep up with so many people. So ANDI is helping you focus on your A and B prospects, the people you really actually want to build relationships with. Once you save people to your database and toggled on track post activity, ANDI creates a custom feed that shows just those people's post activity that you're monitoring. That means you still have your normal LinkedIn feed full of interest and algorithmic content, but now you also have a focused feed built around the exact people you want to stay connected with. It's a smarter, more human way to stay intentional. All that post-tracking data flows here to your dashboard, and you can navigate to your dashboard through the menu in the navigation. The dashboard gives you a bird's eye view of your tracked activity, so you can decide where to focus your time and energy each day by processing what these prospects are posting about, taking notes about them using ANDI, or choosing to generate a smart comment to post on LinkedIn. When you decide that it's time to engage, this is where ANDI really shines. Let's say one of my tracked prospects posts something. I can open that post directly on LinkedIn, choose from different tones and intents, and click Generate Comment, and ANDI will now suggest something short, relevant, and natural that I can post. ANDI is not meant to replace your voice. Instead, it's meant to help amplify your ability to show up more consistently. You can tweak the message, change the intents and tones, or just use it as inspiration to grab some copy so it can save you from overthinking and keeping you part of the conversation and just showing up for more people. Now, this is the last part that I want to show you where the system really comes together. ANDI serving as your networking co-pilot. Over time, as ANDI is learning about your networking goals and what you're hoping to achieve business-wise, the design of the system is for ANDI to serve as your co-pilot. We're building out specific workflows designed to help users with transactional writing. Things like drafting posts, writing emails, opening up LinkedIn conversations, or even setting follow-up reminders on individual people. The idea is that ANDI doesn't just write for you, it writes with you. It understands your relationships and helps you nurture relationships with the people who matter most. So when you're following up with a prospect, writing a recap after a call, or trying to post more consistently, ANDI can step in as your collaborative partner to help you sound more natural, save time, and keep the momentum to be able to reach out to more people at scale. We're constantly expanding these workflows, so ANDI can help you handle more of these repetitive relationship-based tasks over time that really help move the needle. And that's the idea behind Pursue Networking and ANDI. We're trying to help you use LinkedIn the right way, the way that it was meant to be used, for real intentional connections and not mass spam, high volume outreach, and just creating more noise. Start saving your prospects, tracking the ones that matter, commenting with intention, and work with ANDI to help you develop your personal brand. Maybe engage with more people and build momentum for your business. If you want to try it out, just download the Chrome extension, log in using your LinkedIn credentials, start saving and monitoring people, and see how it changes the way you network. And this is just the beginning. And I think once you try it, you'll be able to see how powerful ANDI can become. So if you have feedback, ideas, or feature requests, hit me up. I love hearing how people are using ANDI, and we're trying to build this for the community. So your input literally shapes where we go next. Thank you.